So how can you own your traffic? What's up, you guys? Welcome to the 5th episode of Traffic Secret Series. My name is Mario and today I'm going to reveal to you secret number 5. And if you don't know this one, you are not building a real business and it may disappear overnight. So stay tuned. So the secret number 5 is traffic that you own. That's how it's called, right? So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, just hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. We will be covering all secrets from this new book from Brunson. There are 20 of them, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Guys, while traffic that you earn and traffic that you control is good, like we've talked about in the previous episode, the traffic that you own is the best type of traffic to have, and it's absolutely essential, and you will understand why very soon. So, guys, Russell is sharing his story how he's bought the email list, right? You can actually buy email list from someone else, but I don't recommend it. And Russell has learned his lesson. People who you will be sending emails to, they need to know who you are, because otherwise it will be marked as a spam. You will be spamming people, because if you buy a list from someone else, a list of people who've never heard of you, they will just mark it as spam, and you will cause issues with your autoresponder, and don't do that. Okay, so you need to build your own email list. And guys, the only real secret to business is list building. And Russell is also like sharing the stories of people, and you can see it even today, right? There are people who build YouTube channels with millions of subscribers, and then the YouTube algorithm changed their algorithms, and those people disappear overnight because they didn't transfer those people in the traffic that they own into their email list, right? And it is the same with Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. All of these platforms can either disappear or change algorithms like they always do, and your business may disappear and you will lose it all. So you need to have these mediums and leverage them, but you need to transfer and take those people out of those platforms to something that you own, that cannot be taken from you, which is email list. And so this is a real secret, guys. And right, so we were talking about traffic, how you can earn traffic by creating friends out of your dream 100, right? So, and then traffic that you control, you can buy traffic, you can buy ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, right? But from them, either you do it by traffic you earn or control, you need to then transfer it to traffic that you own, right? And I will tell you how to do this. So, guys, and there is a little motivation how you can keep growing your email list is just take it as imagine like one customer, one email list you collect, you have $1 per month, right? So if you collect 1,000 people into your email list, you have 1,000 people giving your email list, you'll be making on average $1,000 a month. Russell is sharing the numbers here so you can understand the value of email list. And these numbers can change a little depending on the niche you are in and depending on the relationship with your email list, right? But I resonate with this number as well with my email list, right? And if you haven't signed up for any autoresponder yet, I use my ActiveCampaign. I've tried MailChimp and other things, and nothing comes even close to ActiveCampaign. It's really powerful and actually you can try it now completely for free. So when I was signing up, I had to pay right away, but they've now give you the option that you can try it for free. So I will put the link in the description of this video if you want to start building your email list. So just click it, and yeah, if you need any help with that, just leave the question below. If something is unclear, I will be happy to get back to you. And you guys, you need to start building email lists as quickly as you can. You don't want to, there are people who spend years creating YouTube to build it to hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and then they disappear because they didn't create an email list. And guys, so business is all about traffic and the list. Because imagine, like, for example, let's take as an example Instagram. Why did Facebook pay $1 billion for Instagram? They could just, copy or model the app and build something similar, right? Why they decided to buy it? Simply because they wanted the list of their customers. Because Instagram had huge number of users, daily users, monthly users, and Facebook wanted to control that audience. So in any area, it's all about the list of your customers, right? That's the real secret of building a business. You need to you have to own that traffic, right? So if you found this valuable, if this brought you any value, hit that like button, and click the subscribe button as well. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the upcoming episode, which is going to be number 6. It's going to be about follow-up funnels, super important as well. So just subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it out. And if you haven't got this awesome book yet, I will put the link in the description where you can get it for free, right? You just cover small shipping and Russell will send it to you. And in US it's just like $10, international is $20. It's a hardcover, so it's literally free. You just cover the shipping, and as you can see, it costed Russell $27. I'm not sure, guys, if you can see it. It costed him $27 to publish it, so he's giving it for free. So if you are struggling with traffic and you would like to learn to master this, this is art, it's hugely important. That just, I haven't found anything better on traffic, and trust me, I read tons of books, so super valuable. And now, guys, watch the next episode from Traffic Secret series, so you can learn other secrets. I hope you learn all of them, so your business can just skyrocket, so you can scale your business to the stars. Thanks for jumping in on this one. Click this video and I will see you on the next one.